All right, people of Earth, I am innocently sitting upstairs when I hear a dripping noise coming from downstairs. I come downstairs to find this. Looks like that one stopped dripping. That's good. Obviously, I didn't find it exactly like this. This is, I ran around and did all this. Look at this madness. I had to turn the electricity off on the switch box in here because obviously water dripping out of the light is not good. I just imagine it was on too. It was totally on, like dripping water. Oops, did I just do that? Yes, I did. Yeah, man. My handy dandy ladder. This ladder's the bad boy ladder of all ladders. Oh, look at this thing I've got. This is kind of cool. I'll just show the internet real quick. This thing is a vintage mix drinker. Oh, of course, it doesn't have its batteries in right now, but it really works. You, of course, I'm not gonna be able to see it. You shake it, and she mixes your drink. She mixes your drink, and you take your drink, and you say, "Thanks, sweetie," and then you take your drink. See, pretty cool. Yeah, but anyways, Sacramento Kings parking. So yeah, it's coming out of here. I had to move all this stuff. Here's. I was able to, here's me. Hi everybody. Let's see. When I went to work, I had to bust out my handy dandy. Of course it doesn't turn on when I'm lamp. Come on. Oh well. Let's see. There we go. My handy dandy lamp. Huh. I look like a freak. Anyways, I've busted myself up right now. I'm bored. And how could you be bored with all this happening? I'm actually waiting for the maintenance guy. I didn't do any of this shit. I mean, I did some of this, but I helped. But really, I called our maintenance guy, and he came running over. Our water heater upstairs blew up. Bummer, man. $600. Bigger bummer, man. All right. Lake Turd Internet.